Welcome back. My name's Jaron, and for our final touch to this groove, we'll be checking out how Cubase 14's new modulators can create a sidechain effect on our bass, as well as how the new underwater effect can create a perfect filtered intro vibe. Let's jump in. Here's the groove. I would love to create a subtle sidechain style pumping effect to this bass. What we're going to do is go to the channel fader of the bass track. We're going to right click and we'll see modulators. We're going to add a modulator. And here we have our different options. We've got an LFO modulator, an envelope follower modulator, a shaper modulator, a macro knob, a step modulator, and a mod scripter. We're going to use a shaper to achieve this sidechain effect. And you can see now that we have this shaper device affecting the volume fader of our bass track. To achieve a sidechain effect, we want on every quarter note, since our kick drum is playing 4 on the floor, for our bass track's volume to start at the lowest volume level and quickly rise up. Let's see if we can dial it in. So the first thing we need to do is change our note value to quarter notes. Okay, we're already kind of in the vicinity of a sidechain effect, but we need it to start at a lower volume level. And we don't want it to reduce volume until the next quarter note. There we go. Here it is with the shaper modulator bypassed. And here it is with it activated. This is a very deep device. We could spend a lot of time dialing this in perfectly, but this got us very close to a sidechain feel very quickly. Perfect. And for one last final touch, let's check out Cubase 14's new underwater effect. We're going to put the underwater effect on the master channel so that we are affecting the whole mix. Let's turn it all the way down and see what it does. See how it sounds. Nice. That's cool. It's a really quick, easy way to get a classic transition, intro, outro kind of sound. Right there. And what's great is you can just right click and we can show the frequency automation track, where we can then draw in an 8-bar transition in the form of an intro. There are so many exciting new features in Cubase 14. Now, it's time for you to jump in and see how they inspire you in your music making. Until next time, farewell.